Hello, so reading po ito for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, just hit the subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Okay, let's start your reading. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba, kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay po yun sa akin. You do have here the King of Cups and the Lovers. Ayan, Major Arcana. The Lovers. Wait lang. Ayusin natin. Kunin na rin natin yun sa energy ng person na kakonect mo. This is general love reading, timeless love reading, guys. The Moon. Yan, another Major Arcana. At saka the Magician. Another Major Arcana. Puro Major Arcana lumabas, ha. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Nakakita tayo dito ng actually comeback, like a person in the past. Dito sa Five of Swords, yung bumabalik. The King of Cups, eto, I don't know kung siya yung bumabalik sa'yo or ikaw yung bumabalik sa kanya. Whoever this person making the move para magkaroon ng the lovers, which is, this could be partnership, relationship, friendship. This is something na parang, ang gaan ng energy eh. Parang ano siya, like both of you belong with each other. Parang ganon, destiny kind of energy. Yung iba, kung hindi nakaka-relate sa love, it could be a friend or a past career na parang bumabalik sa'yo. Okay? Kung hindi love-related to, kasi yung iba hindi love-related eh. It could be a past person, boss, ganyan, or unfinished business, unfinished career, no, na parang bumabalik. And it could be, ito yung destined or ito yung path, ito yung mas aligned, mas open yung heart mo, nandito yung puso mo. Parang ganon. And, yeah, it could be mas at home ka dito sa career na ito or sa partnership na to, sa business na to. Yung iba, if this is a person, this could be a person sa love related ha, yung mga nakaka-connect or nakaka-relate dun sa love. This could be a past person na bumabalik sa'yo to form some kind of relationship or partnership together with this person. By the way, nakakaamoy ako ng pusit. This could be your reading. Pwedeng kumain ka ng pusit lately or maybe that's your favorite food. Okay lang kahit hindi ka nakarelate dun sa part na yon. Just take only what resonates. The Moon and the Magician is here. So, para dun muna tayo sa love-related kasi dalawa nga yung energy na kukuha ko. For those of you na nakaka-connect dun sa love-related, this person with the Magician, I feel like naging hindi siya open or naging hindi siya honest with regard sa kanyang emotion. Kasi the Moon is about secrets eh. So, I'm feeling like sa pagbabalik nitong person na to, with the King of Cups, magkakaroon ka ng kapanatagan kung ano talaga yung intention niya this time, or magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan regarding sa kung ano talaga yung mga gusto niyang mangyari this time. And yeah, the Four of Wands, this person wants stability, this person wants, ayan no, yung Seven of Cups, nararamdaman natin yung reversal energy dito. So, parang maybe in the past, naging wishy-washy siya, hindi niya alam kung ano yung, hindi mo alam kung ano yung intention nitong taong to, anong emotions niya. because naging unclear siya or naging secretive siya or hindi siya naging klaro sa kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari sa inyo. But then, nakikita natin with the sun na mas magiging clear. Ayan, the sun and moon, this could be a twin flame connection. Magiging mas clear siya around this time sa pagbabalik niya sa'yo. Okay, for those of you na hindi naman love related, it could be career related, it could be a person in the past, friend energy. Nakikita natin na parang from pagkabagsak or pagkalugi or pagka pananahimik ng matagal, ito yung time na babangon ulit itong career or maybe business na ito, whatever this past energy. Nakikitaan natin ang potential ng comeback. Pero kasi with the Four of Wands and the Sun, ayan, magiging mas maganda yung outcome niya this time. So, if this is a career na natapos or nag-end in the past, tapos babalik ulit ngayon, magiging mas better siya or magiging mas maganda siya around this time. Okay? So, if this is a person na pabalik sa'yo or bumalik na sa buhay mo, I feel like from pagbagsak, meron siya mga experiences na hindi maganda. Tapos, parang babangon siya or babalik siya sa'yo kasi nga, this person needs your help. Parang kailangan niya yung tulong mo with regard sa kanyang stability or nagkaroon siya ng clarity regarding dun sa mga experiences niya in the past na hindi maganda. Na parang realize niya na hindi pala yun yung magbibigay ng happiness sa kanya, so on and so forth. So, like there's this possibility ng pagbabalik niya pagkatapos ng mga realizations na yan. So, tell me about the emotions here. Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. For earth sign. King of Pentacles. Dalawang king to. Masyadong maraming card yung lumabas. Knight of Pentacles. Four of Swords. The Page of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck, meron tayo ditong Ten of Cups. Okay, so sa nakikita natin dito with the King of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, a lot of you is financially, andun yung focus mo. Medyo mas more on realistic ka kasi mag-isip ngayon, lalo na sa usaping love and etc. So, parang mas more on financially, ano ba yung mga mas importante. So, yun yung mas pinagfo-focusan mo dito. Knight of Pentacles, I feel like you are protecting yung resources mo, yung finances mo, yung mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo, yung time mo, and, more on money-wise, and medyo I'm feeling like marami kang kayang i-offer You are the king. King of Cups and King of Pentacles. Pero mas more on, mas pinoprotektahan mo dito yung sarili mo. Okay? And yung mga talagang dapat unahin or kung ano yung mga dapat or importante na matapos. Yun yung mas nauuna nating nakikita sa energy mo. Parang you're not here to waste time, you're not here to, if there's a past person na bumabalik sa buhay mo, it's like hindi mo na inuuna kung ano yung emotions mo or kung ano yung iisipin ng taong to or whatever. So, ngayon, medyo realistic ka mag-isip dito. Emotions ng person na kakonect mo with regards to love, masyado siyang immature kasi may mga bagay siyang hindi ginagawa because hindi niya alam kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin doon. Part of this person is indecisive, lalo na sa usaping love. Hindi siya makapag-decide, hindi niya alam kung anong dapat niyang gawin or what. The will, I feel like may mga big changes na na-experience itong taong to na naging dahilan para mabago bigla kung ano yung pagtingin or emotions or kung ano yung tingin niya dito sa pinaka-connection ninyo. The Ten of Cups, I see a lot of love. I feel like ikaw din, may pag-emotions ka dito sa taong to. Especially kung connected kayo or yung family ninyo, maybe you already have some kind of bond sa family. If ever, pwedeng sa family niya or vice versa sa family mo, or maybe you treated each other like a family na. Kung hindi man ganon, it could be there's love na medyo, I don't know, but it feels like parang nabaliktad yung sitwasyon. It could be in the past, siya yung masyadong realistic pagdating sa connection. It could be masyado niyang iniisip kung ano yung iisipin ng iba, etc. And masyado siya nag-focus sa finances niya, ganto ganyan. Pero ngayon kasi parang nabaliktad yung energy. It feels like ikaw yung naging ganon. Although you are really an earth sign, so part of you is really grounded mag-isip, 'di ba? Being an earth sign, importante yung stability and yung pagiging grounded mo. Okay? In the future, in the near future, messages in the near future. Ace of Cups. Okay. Six of Wands. Okay. The Emperor. Okay. And the Five of Swords. Ito na yung unang card na lumabas kanina dun sa earlier pa lang or first part pa lang ng reading na to. So, bumabalik itong Five of Swords. And the Seven of Cups is also here, which is lumabas din siya kanina. But kung maalala mo kanina, it's in reverse. But then, ngayon lumabas siya na naka-upright na siya. In the near future, I can see with the Ace of Cups and the Six of Wands, like what I've told you, may new love, may new events sa buhay mo. Pero with the Six of Wands, nandun yung hindi ka open. I don't feel like you are open. 'Di ba? And it's good thing na you're not open because it feels like may mga experiences ka kung bakit gano'n na naging maingat ka na eh. 'Di ba? You don't want to hurt yourself, you don't want to cause any troubles or what. Ayaw mo ng gano'n. So, nandun yung may new love or new opportunity, new beginnings for you. Pero, as much as possible, medyo, ka talaga, maingat. Sabihin na natin ganun. May boundaries, may dito, medyo mas klaro sa'yo, mas clear sa'yo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin to prevent itong mga kaguluhan or mga um, it feels like mga challenges na kasi in the past hindi naman biro yung mga pinagdaanan mo, 'di ba? Bago mo ma-reach yung point na naging ganyan ka, naging matatag ka, naging malakas ka. Marami kang pinagdaanan and in the past maaaring masyado ka nagmadali pagdating sa desisyon mo, pagdating sa mga actions mo na naging dahilan kung bakit may mga pagsasuffer ka na experience. So all of those lessons, nakita natin na naging malaki ang contribution kung bakit ganyan ka na mag-isip ngayon. Pagdating sa person na kakonect mo, the Emperor is here. This person is stress. I can feel a lot of stress. And the Five of Swords, I feel like, pabalik itong person. Sabi ko nga, if this is a past boss energy, may boss energy or someone na a father or a father figure or someone na in authority or maybe someone working in government energy, army, ganun, or pwede rin teacher kasi I can see a lot of stress dito sa person na to. Stressful energy. Pabalik siya. And this person is really thinking and watching you. This person is nagmamasid, nag-hoping, ganun yung energy. Past person. Hindi niya akalain na ma-experience or ma-feel niya yung mga bagay na na-feel niya nung nawala ka. And this person is coming back. Okay? Yung iba na hindi love-related, this could be a past career or past boss energy na parang hindi nila akalain na na malaki yung contribution or malaki yung mawawala nung nawala ka. So, nagkaroon ng realizations na kailangan ibalik ito or kailangan bumalik ka. We want you back kasi bukod sa napamahal na sa'yo or napamahal na yung trabaho sa'yo, it could be nandun yung mga realizations na you are the person that we want, you're the person that we need, we badly need, parang ganun. So, a lot of past energy nakikita natin bumabalik or nagre-resurface sa'yo. Pero nakikita natin, you are open, pero hindi masyado. Nandun yung pag-iingat, nandun yung may limitations or boundaries ka na ikaw yung mismo nagbibigay sa sarili mo. Kasi, minsan ka nang masyadong naging open, masyadong naging mapagbigay, masyadong nagmamadali, parang ganun. But then, the outcome hindi naging okay or hindi naman naging sa'yo. Hindi naman nakabuti para sa'yo. So, yeah. So, andun yung medyo open ka pero hindi masyado because of the experience na na-experience mo sa past na ito. Okay? So, thank you for watching, guys. I hope nakakuha ka ng message dito. I love you all and bye-bye.